Hey guys, this is Sid and welcome back to my channel Sid saying. So I've been making with this video after a long time, and that is because my Google account got banned last week. So I've been running after them pretty much for the last week. But luckily, what has happened is that my Clickbank sales haven't dipped as I expected them to, and they have been pretty consistent. I think all thanks to Yive. If you want, I can show you that. If we go to our Clickbank account, so as you can see, in the last week the sales have been pretty consistent, and I thought most of my traffic was generated from Google ads, but I think Yive has stepped up in this time, and I've been getting a lot of traffic from my Yive videos as well. So getting back to my Amazon update, on United States store, I have already generated around $37 of sales this month. Yive's fee is, as you know, $47, so I am pretty hopeful that the US store alone will generate enough revenue for me that I can cover the cost of Yive. Apart from this, I'm also using Yive for Clickbank and JVZoo and Amazon Store India. So that is all going to be a profit for me. I hope so. Right. Okay. Just a quick reminder again. The bonuses that I was offering to you, these bonuses with the Yive are going to expire at the end of this month, at the end of August. So if you're gonna buy a Yive from me, this is the pretty good time to do it because I won't be offering these bonuses after August 2020. Okay. Now if you go back to Yive, we are going to discuss a pretty simple campaign and a pretty important one too. We are going to generate a Spintax video in this campaign. How are we going to do that? I'm just going to show you that. So Spintax is something that Spintax helps you create different videos with different content, different description and titles with the same video and pretty much the same content, right? But every video is different from each other, and so Google doesn't really get to know all of that, and you don't get banned due to that. So just gonna be a spin demo for this, right? We're just gonna use Spintax. I'm gonna be pretty quick with this because I've already shown you a lot of the basic things in the last video. I'm just gonna cover the script which has a Spintax support in this, right? So for this, we are going to take an example of a Clickbank product because these are the best that sells in a Spintax video. We're going to take a Ted's woodworking product. If you click on this, we will go to the sales page. uh, this is the sales page, right? We're just going to copy a text just to give you an idea how this works. We're just going to copy that, and we're just going to put the script in this. Now if we put this script in this, all the videos that we create, suppose we are creating 50 videos or 100 videos for this product, all the videos will be having the same script, will be having the same description, will be having the same audio, you can say, for each video, which is a problem for us because Google will know that we are creating multiple videos for the same product. So we don't want to do that. We're just going to copy everything, and I'm just going to show you a site. This is free article spinning, the website's name, right? We're just going to paste our content in here, and we're just going to go down and we're going to do rewrite. I'm going to put a link in the description. This is a free software you can use. This is a free website which is going to help you immensely, and it doesn't cost a dime. So now we have got the Sprintex articles. Now as you can see, it has different versions in this. You do not have, there isn't, a large, a sizable, a big. So out of all these options, it can choose any one of them, and it will make sure that the article is different from the other one, right? We're just going to copy this. We're just going to go back to the script. We're going to replace this with our script. So this is it. This is a Spintex article for you. You can do that in the same way for your description. Since it is Spintex supported, you can use the tags as well. You can use the intro text everywhere, right? Now a quick tip for you guys how I generate a lot of traffic is that before you are going to upload your video on AI, before you put in the description, just add in a template of the other products that you're promoting. So suppose I have this ready template with me, which gives a link to my YouTube channel, which gives a link to AI, which gives a link to Builderall, and other products that I'm promoting, right? So I'm just going to copy that. I'm just going to put this in the description box so that it comes before everything else, right? And of course I'm going to add the uh, product that I am promoting here. So this is going to be Ted's woodwork wood plan, right? Woodwork plan. So you can put in your affiliate link here right after this, and after that you can just give in your ready-made template that you have that is promoting the other products. So for that I would also suggest you that if you're creating something of a link here, just make sure that you have it land on a landing page, because these are the problems that I've faced, these are the mistakes that I've done. Google and Facebook end up banning you if you do not have a landing page, and for that I am promoting my products through Builderall, through my landing page. It's an amazing software. You can check it out. You can check out the link. It's a $1 trial. For $1 you get access to all these things. You can get access to the Cheetah Builder, which is the landing page builder. You can create an e-commerce store. You can have email automation. You can send out emails. So this and every there are almost 30 applications in this. It's a world-class software, all-in-one marketing app. You can check it out in the description below just for $1 with my link. All right, and of course I give you bonuses with this. Once you get it, once you get to the link, you'll get the bonuses automatically via mail, right? So you go that, you do that, everything else is supported, everything else is done, everything else is explained in the earlier videos. You can just do that. Spintax was the main thing that I tried to explain in this video. That is something which is very useful for me and which is generating a lot of traffic and sales for me. So I hope this video was useful. If you liked it, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you.